Hello everybody and welcome back. This is Swati Gupta, Chartered Accountant. If you're really interested in knowing how to approach IFRS and Ind AS, how many exactly the total number of standards are published, is there any difference between numbering and naming of this IFRS and Ind AS? Then yes, please stick to the video till end. I will try to resolve all the queries. Okay, let's begin. Now firstly, there are 39 total standards. As you can see, in the sequence number, there are 39 total standards. Here is the list of all the standards, okay, with name and numbering. Firstly, the concepts, the naming are exactly same. Okay, I would say almost 95% they are same. Okay, you can see here the name for both the standard is same. But now, if we talk about numbering, firstly, let's understand in foreign countries there are two list of standards, that is IFRS and IAS. IFRS stands for International Financial Reporting Standard, whereas IAS stands for International Accounting Standard. Okay. Now, for IFRS there are 16 total IFRS, whereas for IAS there are 23 International Accounting Standards. Whereas in India there is only Indian Accounting Standard, or you can say Ind AS, and these are 39. Okay, so in foreign countries you have two lists of standards, whereas in India you only have one list of standard. Okay, now for identifying in India, if you have converged, if you have adopted that particular Ind AS from IFRS, then the numbering is done in 100 plus series. Whereas if the Ind AS is adopted, if the Ind AS is converged from IAS, then the numbering is kept same in just order to simplify and identify the IFRS and IAS. Okay, let's see some examples. For example, if the Ind AS is adopted and converged from IFRS, then the numbering is done in 100 plus series. Here there are some examples. For example, IFRS 4, then in India it is 104. For IFRS 5, then in India it's Ind AS 105, and there are total 16 standards. Now if we talk about IAS, the numbering is same. So if there is International Accounting Standard 1, then in India it is Ind AS 1. The numbering is same. IAS 10, Ind AS 10. IAS 12, Ind AS 12. Okay. Now, if you want to know how to learn them in a very simpler and short duration, then there are two ways. Firstly, you can refer any notes, or you can take the help of video courses. Okay. Now for this, there is one step. You have to check out description box. Therein the link for the app is given. Okay. Please download it. The app is available on Play Store as well as App Store. On Play Store, the name of the app is Stay Ahead, whereas on the App Store, the name of the app is Class Plus. Therein, they ask you organization code or ORG code. The ORG code is for Class Plus. This is specifically for iOS users, okay, Apple phones and all. Class Plus, the code is HSGGO. When you put organization code and simply log in with your number and OTP, you will be able to access the material. Now, if you want to access this list of standard, okay, it is available under free material. Whereas if you wish to have access to all the notes in a very summarized and a very presentable manner, in a simplified manner, then tap on the store. There is a course available, PDF notes. The notes are downloadable. You have to simply enroll for the course. The notes are downloadable. You can keep it safe with you and refer it whenever you feel like. It can be opened up into your mobile phones as well as laptop as well. Okay. Now, if you talk about video courses, there is a separate special new course available that is made for working professionals or who want to crack their interviews. Therein some examples are also used. A sequence is followed in which it is separated, it is bifurcated and planned in 23 chapters. Okay. Now, in those, we have used some simplified charts. Also, we have used some simplified examples in order to make sure that the application of the concept is clear. Okay. Now, if you wish to enroll for the same, it is available on the store. It is more appropriate for the professions. Okay. Now, if you wish to take certification, see, reading, understanding, applying is something else, and Another task comes certification. If you are interested in taking up the certification, then you have to enroll with ACCA and ICA. Okay. Now, if you wish to take diploma in IFRS, you have to enroll with ACCA. Therein, they provide the books, but they do not provide any sort of tuitions. You have to take tuitions from any approved learning partner. Whereas, if you talk about Ind AS, okay, you have to be a qualified chartered accountant, and and whenever you enroll in the batches that come up on the website of the ICAI, they provide you tuitions and books as well. You in the both the exams, there is one exam. In both the certifications, there is one exam, and you have to score 50 plus marks to in order to get the certification. Okay. Now for ICAI, for Indies, the tuitions are available within the course enrollment itself. For ACCA, you have to take separate tuitions. Okay. Now another thing that comes up is the concepts of IFRS IAS are very similar to Ind AS. I would say almost 95% is same. The difference between them is the curves. Okay, I have added a PDF note as well as a video lecture separately highlighting the 10 important curves between IFRS and Ind AS. So if you're learning this course, then you are good to go with IFRS questions as well as Ind AS questions. Either it is for interview, your practical financial statements, or it is for any exam purpose. Okay, I hope this information helps you a lot. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, see you in the next video. Till then, take care, be safe, stay tuned. Please comment your suggestions and your feedbacks and your queries. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. Bye bye.